Hello everyone, welcome to FixSoft. In this video, I will show you how to set up C and C++ in Visual Studio Code step by step. Don't worry if you are a beginner. I will explain everything in a very simple way. We will follow 4 easy steps. First, we will install the MinGW compiler. This is needed to run C and C++ programs. Second, we will install Visual Studio Code. Third, we will connect C and C++ with VS Code. And finally, we will be able to run C and C++ programs on Visual Studio Code. Let's start with the first step. Open your web browser and go to Google. Type MinGW compiler and press enter. Click on the official website. You can trust this site. On the website, click the download button. A new page will open and your download will start in a few seconds. Now wait until it downloads. Once the download is finished, you will get an exe file. Right-click on it and click Open to start the installation. When the setup opens, click Install. MinGW will be installed in the default location. Do not change anything here. Click Continue. Now, the setup window will open. You will see a list of packages. Select the Developer Toolkit and mark it for installation. Select Base and mark it for installation. Select G and mark it for installation. You can also mark Objective-C, but the others can stay as they are. Now, go to the installation menu and click Apply Changes. Click Apply again. Now it will start downloading required components. The download will take a few minutes. This depends on your internet speed. When you see the message that all changes were applied successfully, click Close. MinGW is now installed. Next, we need to add it to the system path. Click on the Start menu. Type environment variables and open Edit the system environment variables. Click Environment Variables. Go to the location where MinGW was installed. Open the C drive, then open the MinGW folder. Inside it, open the bin folder. Right-click on the address bar and copy the path. Under System Variables, find Path and double-click it. Click New and paste the path you copied. Click OK, then OK, and OK again. MinGW is ready. Now, let's move to the second step and install Visual Studio Code. Open your browser again and search for VS Code. Click on First Website. This is official website of Visual Studio Code. Click Download for Windows. A new page will open and setup file will start downloading. After the download finishes, right-click on the file and click Open to start installation. Accept the license agreement and click Next. If you want a desktop icon, you can select it. Otherwise, leave it unchecked. Click Next. When setup is ready to install, click Install. Wait for the installation to finish. When installation is completed, click Finish and VS Code will open automatically. VS Code is now installed successfully. Now, we will connect C and C++ with VS Code. In VS Code, click on Explorer and then click Open Folder. Create a new folder on your desktop. Name it anything you like. For example, Fixoff Project. Select the folder and click Select Folder. Now, right-click inside VS Code and click New File. Create a file named demo.c. The .c extension tells VS Code that this is a C program. For C++, you would use .cpp. Now, press Enter. As soon as you create the file, VS Code will suggest installing the C++ extension. Click Install. This extension is provided by Microsoft and helps VS Code understand C and C++ code. That's it! You've successfully installed C and C++ and set it up on VS Code. If you want more beginner-friendly tutorials, keep following Fixoft. Thanks for watching.